Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Tired of smudged labels, faded notes, or the endless hunt for ink? What if a pocket-sized wizard could solve all that? Today, we're unboxing the NHOWIN Sticker Printer, a thermal sticker maker poised to revolutionize how students, teachers, home organizers, and DIY creators manage their tasks. This isn't just a gadget, it's a creative powerhouse, and I've been putting it through its paces. First up, let's talk prints. The NHOWIN printer boasts high-speed chips and 203 dpi resolution, delivering crisp, clear, and perfectly legible stickers and labels every time. No blurry text, no faded lines. The real game changer, it's a thermal printer. That means no ink cartridges required. Think of the money saved, frustration avoided, and the sheer convenience of never worrying about running out of ink. Just pop in a thermal paper roll and you're ready. It's effortless, cost-effective, and completely mess-free. A dream for anyone tired of traditional printer headaches. Now, how do you actually tell this marvel what to print? That brings us to its fantastic Bluetooth connectivity and the brilliant Luck Jingle App. Whether iOS or Android, connecting is an absolute breeze, just a few taps. The app itself is a treasure trove. You get access to a huge library of free templates for everything from study notes to decorative labels. Need to print a photo instantly? Done. Grab text from a document? Its AI printing, OCR, and scan functions have you covered. You can even print entire documents. While it prints in black and white, the app's versatility makes custom labels and organization incredibly intuitive. And speaking of creativity and organization, let's dive into just how multifunctional and portable this device truly is. This isn't just for basic labels. We're talking about effortlessly producing stickers, labels, notes, to-do lists, and even barcodes. It caters to students for study notes, teachers for quick aids, and home organizers for pantry labels. Its diverse capabilities boost efficiency for anyone. And the best part? Its footprint is tiny, just 3.15 by 3.15 by 1.77 inches. It literally slips into your pocket or smallest bag. This portability means your organizational and creative power is always with you, ready whenever inspiration strikes. The NHOWIN team also gets you started right away. In the box, you'll find the printer, 4 rolls of sticker paper, 1 preloaded, a user manual, and a Type-C data cable. Just remember, you'll need your own charging adapter, but that's a minor detail for most. So, after testing the NHOWIN sticker printer, I can confidently say it's a game changer. It combines crystal clear, inkless printing with seamless Bluetooth connectivity and a feature-rich app, all wrapped up in an incredibly compact and portable design. For anyone looking to boost organization, unleash creativity, or simply make daily tasks easier and more fun, this thermal sticker maker is an absolute must-have. It's a tool that empowers you to bring order and flair to your world effortlessly. If you're ready to transform your labeling, organizing, and creative projects, then you need to check out the NHOWIN Sticker Printer. Find the link to grab yours, along with more details and current pricing, right down in the description below. Go ahead, click that link, and start printing your way to a more organized and inspired life today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next discovery. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.